Installation instructions for the universal hardware, light-duty, keyed entry knob, and deadbolt combo. This combo is UL listed and ANSI Grade 2 and can be installed on right or left-hand doors between 1 and 3/8 inches to 2 inches thick, along with an adjustable latch, can be used for a 2 3/8 inch or a 2 3/4 inch backset. Here are the tools required for installation. The combo comes with everything else you will need. Preparing the door. If your door is already prepared, continue on to installation. If not, use the provided template to mark and drill the appropriate holes for your door. For deadbolt installation only, skip to the 3-minute 40-second mark. Knob installation. Determine the backset needed and adjust the latch, if necessary, by sliding the latch cam to the correct length. Install the latch into the edge of the door. Make sure the angled face of the latch bolt is facing the door jamb. Using 2 of the screws labeled BB, fasten the latch on the door. Do not tighten the screws completely to allow for some leeway when installing the knob. Place the exterior side of the lock body into position, with the spindle going through the square hole of the latch cam. Next, remove the interior knob by inserting the push pin into the hole on the side of the rose, releasing the catch, then pull the knob free. Using a flathead screwdriver, separate the interior rose from the mounting plate. Then remove the rose. Slide the interior assembly onto the spindle and push flush against the door. Using the 2 AA mounting screws, tighten the mounting plate. Align the dimples on the rose with the slots on the mounting plate and snap the rose onto the mounting plate. Then, align the slot on the knob with the hole on the rose and push onto the spindle until it locks into place. Test the knob to make sure that the catch is fully engaged. Next, install the strike box and strike onto the door jamb and secure with the 2 remaining BB screws. Finally, fully tighten the latch screws. For locking functions, check that once the door is closed, the deadlocking plunger on the latch should be retracted. For keyed entry models, to remove the cylinder for rekeying, first, have the knob unlocked. Insert the push pin into the hole on the side of the exterior rose and depress the catch. Remove the exterior knob. Push on the face of the cylinder to dislodge the back cover plate, then slide the cover plate off. Remove the cylinder. Once rekeyed, replace the cylinder. Slide the cylinder housing into the slot of the exterior knob, and be sure the face of the cylinder is showing in the front of the knob. Then slide on the back cover plate. Align the slot on the exterior knob with the slot on the spindle, then push the exterior knob completely onto the spindle until it locks into place. Deadbolt installation. If necessary, remove the cylinder for rekeying before installing the deadbolt. Remove the cylinder housing from the exterior shell. Remove the cylinder retaining screw, then slide the cylinder out. Once rekeyed, replace the cylinder and secure with the cylinder retaining screw. Place the cylinder housing back into the exterior shell. Adjust the latch, if necessary, by rotating the faceplate 180 degrees to match the size of the backset. Install the latch into the edge of the door. Be sure the arrow labeled "Up" is in the correct position. Using 2 of the BB latch screws, fasten the latch. Do not tighten the screws completely to allow for some leeway when installing the deadbolt. Place the exterior housing into position by sliding the tailpiece horizontally into the latch cam. Install the interior assembly. Be sure the thumb turn is in the upright position and slide the receiver onto the tailpiece and push the interior assembly flush against the door. Using the 2 long mounting screws labeled AA, fasten the interior assembly to the door. Test the installation by locking and unlocking the deadbolt. Finally, fully tighten the latch screws. Install the strike box and strike onto the door jamb, and secure with the 2 remaining BB screws. Your new universal hardware light-duty combo is now ready for use.